Hey everyone, if AnyDesk installation failed, the setup won't complete, or you're getting installation errors, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you several simple fixes to help you install AnyDesk successfully. First, restart your computer. Temporary system glitches can sometimes interfere with software installation. Next, download the newest version of AnyDesk from the official website. Yeah, outdated or corrupted setup files can cause installation problems. Try running the installer with administrator privileges. I mean, installation requires access to important system files. Some antivirus programs may block software installation, so temporarily disabling them can help determine if they're causing the issue. Make sure your device has enough free storage. Insufficient disk space can prevent the installation from completing. Make sure your operating system is fully updated. Yeah, missing updates can lead to compatibility issues. If you've installed AnyDesk before, remove any leftover files and uninstall old versions. Corrupted files can interfere with a new installation. If you're using a VPN or proxy server, turn it off temporarily. I mean, network restrictions can sometimes affect the installation process. Try installing AnyDesk from another administrator account. So, profile-related permission issues may be causing the problem. If the installation still fails, contact AnyDesk support for additional help. They may be able to identify deeper compatibility issues, and that's it. Hopefully, one of these methods helped fix the AnyDesk installation failed problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.